Minister wa iganda na wonjoria guku bururi-ini Peter Munya niruguririe kiganda kia waki wa ngari kia muigana wa ciringi birioni imwe gia Kambuni ya Isuzu East Africa na kiria kiorotereirio guteithiriria thirikari gukinyaniria muoroto wayo wa gutheremia gukura kwa iganda guku bururi-ini. Akiria hindi ya kihinguro giki Munya ugite kiganda giki guteithiriria hari kwandanduka kwa meke ya mawira bururi-ini hamwe na gutigirira Kenya ni mahota kwigwatira ngari cia gikiro kia iguru.
The cabinet already passed the investment promotion policy that is geared towards that is reviewing our policy on investments to accelerate foreign direct investment in the country, but at the same time also protect local businesses.
Tore uhoro-ini ucio ni ati indo iria bururi wa Kenya wendagia na nja ni ciongererekete na gicunji gĩa 3.2 harĩ igana kuma harĩ ciringi birioni 594 mwaka-ini wa 2017 nginyagia ciringi birioni 613 mwaka muthiru na iria itarirwo muigana wa ciringi tirilioni 1.8 mwaka-ini wa 2018. Minister wa iganda Peter Munya ni ataririe makinya maria thirikari yarire na niguo kugacirithia riera ria thuguri guku bururi-ini.
Reduction of the withholding VAT from 6% to 2%, the reduction of IDF for those who are producing for exports, the power tariffs that are going to be implemented, that are being gazetted, that will bring cost of power down by 30%.
Muthia nao maofitha aruhongero ungania wa magoti guku bururi-ini ni mahithukitie makiria marita 20,000 muhaka-ini wa bururi turigaine wa Tanzania na iria itarirwo igoti ria muigana wa ciringi milioni 3.16. Kwerikanite thano ino ikuhithanitio makoni-ini ma waru rori-ini ria kumaga bururi wa Tanzania yerekeire guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV metha-ini ya wonjoria njitagwo Waithaka Kinywa.